It's yet another household cost that is going up. But Sydney Water is offering to shave money off customers' bills by sending out plumbers to carry out minor repairs and water-saving replacements.
From dripping showers to troublesome toilets, plumbers from Sydney Water are plugging household problems one leak at a time. Bankstown parent Jung Lim called on the WaterFix program, sparing her some of the cost of engaging a private plumber.
It's not leaking. Very good.
Wonderful, wonderful.
As a single mom, plumber is really difficult part. Also, they just only set fee. They charge more than $100.
Instead, she paid just a $33 call-out fee, receiving a new free water-efficient showerhead. Her tap and toilet leaks also repaired for free.
Leaks can use a lot of water and they can really add up to a high bill.
Since the 2019 drought, the program has helped 38,000 people save an average of 20,000 litres of water a year and shave at least $50 off their annual bill. Now, at a time when every drop and every dollar counts, customers are urged to book in.
Sydney Water also says some simple changes around the home could see the average person's daily water usage fall by up to 20%.
Reducing your shower time from 10 minutes to 4 minutes in the shower for a family of 4 could save you over $200 a year.
More information on the program can be found on the Sydney Water website.
My kid no longer call, Mama, I can't flush. Mama, it button doesn't work. Mama, it's leaking again. No longer complain.
In Bankstown, Elizabeth Bryan,